Mastering agreement with singular relative pronouns. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of grammar with a focus on noun and pronoun agreement, particularly relative pronouns as singular antecedents. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use relative pronouns correctly in a sentence. Let's get started. Before we delve into the agreement part, let's first brush up on our understanding of relative pronouns. They are words that introduce relative clauses, providing essential information about the noun mentioned before them. The relative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, which, and that. For example, in the sentence, the book, which is on the table, is mine, which is the relative pronoun linking the main clause. The book is mine, with the relative clause, which is on the table. Now, let's move on to singular antecedents. An antecedent is the noun or pronoun to which a pronoun refers. When the antecedent of a pronoun is a singular noun, the pronoun must also be singular. The same rule applies to relative pronouns. If a relative pronoun refers to a singular noun, it is considered a singular antecedent. For example, in the sentence, "She is the one who always helps me," the relative pronoun who refers back to the singular noun one. Therefore, who is a singular antecedent in this case. Now, let's discuss the crux of the matter: agreement with singular relative pronouns. This means that when a relative pronoun acts as a singular antecedent, the verb in the clause must also be singular. This rule ensures that the sentence maintains agreement in number. For instance, take a look at this sentence. "The house that is painted blue is mine." Here, that is a singular antecedent referring to the singular noun, house. Therefore, the verb is in the relative clause is also singular. In this final section, let's look at some common mistakes. People often get confused and use plural verbs with singular relative pronouns. For example, one might incorrectly write, "The house that are painted blue is mine." To avoid this, remember the rule we discussed. If the antecedent of a relative pronoun is singular, the verb in the clause must also be singular. So, the correct sentence should be, "The house that is painted blue is mine." And that's a wrap on agreement with singular relative pronouns. Always remember, the key to mastering any grammar rule is practice. So, keep practicing, keep writing, and keep refining your English language skills. I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.